deep valley is filled with a harmonious atmosphere. Most local animals live in groups. Whether they eat, sleep, or migrate, all family members take care of each other. The forest musk deer, however, adopt a different lifestyle. They spend most of their lives alone in the forest. This is an adult male. Different from the female, it boasts its upper canine teeth. Same as their musk, the fangs are used when it's on heat. It picked a tree and started rubbing the trunk. It leaves the secretion from the base of its tail so that the peers are aware of its existence. Adult males and females have their exclusive territories. They tend to avoid meeting their kind in case of conflict. But there are exceptions. The two females bump into each other. This is how they react in dangerous situations. Even at a considerable distance, they can distinguish a fellow deer from potential threats. After the safety check, they approach each other for further identification. They sniff the other's nose, looking like they were French kissing. This is an important move. Their nasal glands have the function of individual recognition. This situation usually occurs between mother and daughter. Living in solitude on their own turfs, such an encounter may not happen twice in a year. They both cherish the family reunion. The forest musk deer spends most of its time foraging for food. Living like a hermit without a companion requires constant vigilance. It halts every few minutes, sniffing and listening in case of danger. This eating habit helps it hide from predators. The moment it senses danger, it adopts a strange behavior to show the enemy that it is in excellent health. It seems as if it were saying, "Chasing me is futile. I can lose you whenever I want to." And then it disappears into the jungle without a trace.